Today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 17 Pro. Apple's most powerful iPhone yet. First impressions? Sleeker titanium design, lighter but stronger than ever. The big upgrade, Apple's new A19 Pro chip with insane speed and efficiency. Perfect for gaming, editing, and multitasking. First up, of course, is the insane 8x optical zoom everyone's been talking about. The resolution really is unbelievable. Just look how sharp the details are. Now I'm just thinking, is anyone else opposite me also playing around with this even at night? The upgraded lens makes every shot brighter and clearer, whether it's photo or video, and with cinematic stabilization. Which new iPhone 17 has the best battery life? And how do they compare to an Android? They all started at 100%, and we left them on streaming the same video until each one turned off. The iPhone Air turned off first, and then over 5 hours later, the 17 Pro was next. 3 hours after that, the Samsung S25 Edge turned off, and then the 17 Pro Max was lasting just 10 minutes longer. Which would you buy?